Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Uncle Matt's cookery lessons. In this one I'm making this wonderful thing called Caprese salad from the island of Cookery, which is part of Italy, also known as Insalata Caprese. I hope you're going to enjoy this one. So this isn't really a recipe, it's a list of ingredients, and when you only have such a few simple ingredients, what they have to be is the best quality that you can find. So take the time, try to find the best tomatoes you can. I ended up going to 3 local supermarkets to get this selection here. Basically, there should actually just be red tomatoes, white mozzarella and green basil to represent the flag of Italy, but if you're going to get upset because I'm using a couple of yellow and orange tomatoes, then it says more about you than me. So here you can see me slicing up tomatoes in several different ways. Some slices, some chunky pieces, some wedges. Just take your time, have a bit of fun. What you find is when you present it like this, it's impossible for it not to look absolutely lovely. Now I was trained in French restaurants, so when I first ever made caprese salad, it was all about trying to make these perfect little round slices of tomatoes, the same size as these perfect round slices of mozzarella. And to be honest with you, it was such a faff, it wasn't necessary. And I much prefer the look of the one I made today than the one I used to make in really posh restaurants. So I hope you agree how nice this looks. And obviously once you make it, you realise how unbelievably delicious it is. So do take your time, have a bit of fun with this. Think, oh, I can slice this one into wedges, and that one I think I'm just going to do some other slices, and this one I'm going to do that way. Have a bit of fun with it. One of the other important things is the quality of the mozzarella. So do not fall for this firm, rubbery, kind of tennis ball-like excuse for mozzarella that you can buy. It is not any good, certainly not for something like this. I think it's fine if you're going to grate it and put it on top of pizza and pastas, and macaroni cheese, but that's what you want. That's mozzarella in brine. That is a buffalo mozzarella as well, so that comes from the milk from a buffalo rather than a cow. But doesn't mean there aren't good quality cow mozzarellas. They'll be as good or almost as good. But this is, I think, the best you can get. And what I decided to do was tear it up rather than trying to slice it into even little pieces. Rustic all the way. So to present this, I've chosen a large plate. This would be perfect if you want to put down as a starter for a family of 4. Antipasti. This turned out to be a shared lunch for just me and the missus, but don't worry, we did it, we managed. So I think I've got enough tomatoes on the plate there. This is a flaky salt. This is the one from Essex, Malden, and I think it might just be the best out there. What I like so much about this is that the crystals, they add a little crunch to the dish, a little texture, almost like having little croutons in there. But of course, adding salt and pepper to tomatoes enhances them massively. So even bland tomatoes will taste really nice with a bit of salt and pepper. Tomatoes as nice as this taste absolutely divine. Good quality extra virgin olive oil and lashings of it, don't be shy. And here goes the mozzarella. No knack to this, just start off, drape it over the top, try to get pieces and push it in between the tomatoes around the outside. You can see what I'm doing, it's obvious really, speed it up. And it's already looking as pretty as a picture. But we're not quite finished. We've got to put some basil on. That is the third part of the tricolore. Here it comes, any time now. Where is he? There he is. So dot your basil all over the top. It looks lovely, and I have a confession. I got the wrong basil. I was a little bit disappointed with myself. This is the Thai basil. it's nowhere near as nice. So do, when you're shopping, make sure you're not such a numpty as I was in that one. But anyway, that is it. One of the most simple dishes to prepare, but the most spectacular to eat, as long as you just respect the ingredients and try to find the best ones you can possibly get. I like to drizzle mine with a bit more olive oil before I got stuck in, as why not? It looks lovely in slow motion. So what I'd like everyone to do, if you don't mind, is, if you haven't already, check out the last 2 videos I did, because they were both tomato based. There was bruschetta and dakos. Dakos is a Greek version, very similar to bruschetta. And I'm trying to work out what is my favourite tomato dish. And I think right now, at this moment in time, caprese salad. That is the winner. So thank you one more time for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Come in really soon. Bye.